Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing amazing. So today is a day that we've all been waiting for because today is officially the first day of spring. So the weather this past week has been amazing and everyone just seems to be a whole lot happier. I've seen so many smiles that I didn't see a couple of weeks ago. So bang on season, I've got my spring nails ready to go. And then I have quite a bit to share with you guys today. But firstly, I'm going to show you guys all the bits that I picked up from Poundland. I did like a very last minute spring shop in Poundland and just got some little bits. So I'll show you guys all of those bits and then we'll get into the juicy part, which is decorating for spring. Okay, so firstly I got this ceramic rabbit, which is white, and I'm not sure if you can see, but it has grey speckles. I then got yet another bunny. Again, I'm not sure if you guys can see in the camera, but it's really shiny. And I thought these guys could look quite cute together somewhere, maybe on the shelves. Okay, so every year from Poundland I pick up these little chicks and sheep. I think it's actually the first year I've picked up some sheep, but I thought I could dot those maybe when decorating my coffee stand. I could use a few of these and then just randomly dot them around the place. I always think they're really cute. So if you guys have watched my decorating for Christmas with me, you'll see that I had this really huge inflatable foil balloon gingerbread man, and I really loved that piece. I think that was actually my favourite Christmas decoration, and I think I want to decorate with balloons for every season, not just for birthdays. So I saw these two foil balloons in Poundland. I got really excited and had to pick these up. This is what they look like. I then got these bunny and carrot LED lights. This is something I definitely will be putting on my coffee stand. And then I saw these window stickers, got overexcited and picked these up. But then I thought to myself, should I really stick these on my window? So I may find a different use for these. I then got this glass crackled egg in green, and it also lights up. I got some decorative carrots. Okay, a few more items. Then got this faux branch, which I picked up to style in a mini vase. And then last but not least, I got these mini eggs in these little nests. That's everything from my haul. Now let's get into decorating for spring. Okay, let's get cleaning. And of course, I've got Peter Rabbit on in the background. Now it's time to decorate the coffee station. So if you'd seen my previous haul, I went to Asda and picked up a bunch of chocolates. However, these were the ones I actually went there looking for, but they were completely out or they just didn't stock them at all. But I managed to find them on Amazon and picked up 2 packets of these. We demolished 1 pack in 1 sitting, so this is what's left. I'm going to put some of these into the jars. And then I also got these, and then I got these moo-free caramel mini eggs as well. One of these. 2 in 1. Yes. I'm keeping that in the video. So after changing this a million times, I think I'm okay with how it looks for now. Until I change it again, of course. This is what it looks like, but now I'm gonna add the lights.